Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking in precise controls. Lower dead zone and set steering sensitivity around 0. 6 to 0. 8 so small inputs matter. Next, map throttle to a linear curve and soften brake response to avoid snap grip losses. This gives smoother weight transfer. Once done, change the differential toward a 40% lock so both wheels share power during slides. These first changes immediately let you initiate controlled slides instead of random spins, and they prepare the car for consistent counter-steer work. You want to unsettle the rear cleanly. Use a clutch kick or a quick feint to shift weight and break traction. Immediately after initiation, counter-steer to catch the rotation. Start early, then reduce input as the car stabilizes. While holding the drift, modulate throttle, increase to widen the angle, back off to tighten the arc. Also, adjust steering and diff trim on the fly depending on speed and turn radius. This tuning keeps you from over-rotating and lets you carry momentum through the middle of the corner. You complete the drift by easing angle and progressively reapplying throttle so traction returns without a torque spike. This prevents a violent snap at the exit. If the car snaps, immediately lift throttle and straighten the wheel just enough to regain balance, then use a quick clutch blip to reset rear traction if available. For persistent issues, record a run, then tweak sensitivity or diff in small 0.05 steps. This iterative approach isolates the cause and gets you back to stable, repeatable drifts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.